Emma, and I love yummy treats. Oh, we need to help Jane.
Oh goodness, who's crying so hard? I'm Grandma, and I'm gonna feed everyone! Someone's hungry? I'm Chef. I cook beautifully and deliciously.
I'm really hungry and there's nothing in the fridge! It's urgent!
Hey!
Yay! A new culinary challenge! Hurry up and let's cook some fries for baby!
Okay. No problem.
Yes!
Of course, baby!
Oh, I love rice! Let's start with oil. We're gonna put a little more than usual. Alrighty, now pouring some frozen fries. Ah! Oh goodness! Grandma! How do we deal with that?
Okay, granddaughter! I'm gonna fix it! How is it? No more fire? Oh, sorry! Oh, you're pretty again!
Oh no! Although, there's a great idea. I'm going to make Kit Kat rice. We'll break everything up into little sticks and put them in some special packaging. Alrighty. Then, of course, we need some sauce. Chocolate fries and chocolate syrup. Awesome!
Now I'm going to show you how to make real fries. First, we peel the potato. Cut it into small pieces. Now we're going to make famous French fries in the shape of an accordion. It will turn out incredibly tasty and appetizing. Put it in the oven and wait. I'm going to have smiley face fries. My favorite granddaughter Jane will love them. Some salt, of course, to our mashed potatoes. And we are going to add some flour. Oh, I'm a little tired, but we're moving on. Our potato dough is ready. We roll it out. We're gonna have this thin layer here. And look at that! Some smiley faces! Great! They turned out incredibly beautiful and appetizing. Let's put it all in the oven. Oh yeah! Let's see what I got there. Ah, the smell is delicious. Next, we're going to take some fresh tomato ketchup. Well, I'm actually going to make it. There we go. Decorating the plate and the dish is ready. We can serve it. Wait, Chef! I just took my potatoes out of the oven. I've got to put them all nicely and pretty. Oh, just look at those bangs. No, it's for the baby.
Oh, yeah?
Wow! So many delicious and beautiful dishes! These look cool! Very tasty! What's next? Wow! I've never seen potatoes shaped like this before! Not bad! What else is there? Burnt potatoes? No! Wait, they're chocolate! Yummy! Awesome! So, who do I choose? Grandma wins!
Really? I'm so excited! Oh, the manicure! Oh, yes, right.
I want a sandwich. Make me one, please.
I got you.
Okay.
No props again. Of course. Oh, we need to figure something out. Some peanut butter and jam sandwich, of course. Oh, the toasts are ready. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's move on. We need some peanut butter and some jam on the other toast. I'm using berry jam. We put it all together and we can give it to Jane to try. She's gonna love it. I used to love those as a kid. No! It's for baby Jane, Emma!
No.
Okay, I'll figure something out too. What do we have here? Great! Cheese! It is going to be delicious. And some ham. And a lot of layers. We're gonna make a huge sandwich.
All right.
Oh, wow!
Yeah, I know. That's great. Let's add some mayonnaise. It's an experiment. Oh, yeah. We're gonna use some Cheeto crumbs. Look how I've smashed it. It turned into crumbs. And we cover our sandwich in those crumbs. Let's fry it. What is Chef doing?
I'm going to show you my masterclass on how to make an awesome sandwich. First of all, we color our buns. Oh yeah, amazing. Well, they're not buns yet, so I'm going to make some bread out of it. Putting out the layers. Oh yeah.
Now let's see what I have. Wow, this is quite a sandwich.
Are we ready? Oh, no, okay. I'm going to read. Oh, that's funny. Are you ready? I got it. The bread is ready. All I have to do is slice it. And grate some colored cheese. Great. We cover everything with the bread and set it to melt in the microwave so the cheese is super stretchy. Alrighty, rainbow cheese sandwiches are ready. Ah, perfect. Jane, you're sure gonna love it.
Wow, let's see what we have here. This sandwich is so unusual. And it tastes great! Sis, you're amazing! So what's in here? This looks simple. But it tastes so good! I love you, Grandma! I love you! What do we have here?
Wow.
First time I've ever seen a rainbow sandwich! How cool! I love it! But who's gonna win? Sis, that's you! What? Really? That's so cool! Guys, Jane has already prepared a new drawing for you. Let's see. Oh, a milkshake. That's awesome.
Okay.
Well, I think everyone is ready to make it. Yeah, I'm about to make an awesome milkshake that Jane is sure to love. All we need is Nutella. Oh, I really want to try it. Come on! Oh, I want to eat it! This is so good!
I'm going to show you how to make real milkshakes. I need milk. And a scoop of Nesquik powder. That's great. And my favorite mug. Let's pour it into there. Some whipped cream on top. Oh, great. That's funny. Now watch this and learn. I'm going to have a milkshake made differently than yours. I'm going to melt some chocolate. And we're gonna take teddy bear molds. It's going to be a work of art. Yeah, pouring it all in. Oh, Grandma, what?
Oh, just wait. Oh no! Did I eat it all again? But I have an idea. We just have to pour some milk. Yeah, right into the Nutella jar. I'm gonna shake it up.
Oh, that's weird, but okay.
Oh my.
Horrible.
Right, we need to add some whipped cream. And decorate everything with my favorite candy. Some chocolate syrup. Oh, this is incredible!
This is all some kind of culinary horror. I'm about to show you a true work of art. Oh yeah, some fire. We're gonna burn a hole in our teddy bear. And now we pour delicious milkshakes inside. Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
Adding some whipped cream. And some colored sprinkles. Done.
Wow, how cool everything looks! I need to try it all. Let's start with this one. Yummy! What's in here? It's a cool bear. What does it taste like? Okay. Nice.
All right.
Oh, you can eat the beer too! Amazing! Ooh, Nutella! I love it! Wow, it's delicious! And my favorite Twix! Well, sis wins for sure! Did you hear that? I'm the best again!
Jane hasn't had enough yet. Let's see. Oh, she wants fried eggs. That's so cool. Let's make it all together. All ready? Let's start. Jane, did you color all the eggs? Oh, don't play with them.
I'm sorry, but let's start. Oh, oops. Jane won't like that. Oh, I need to fix it.
I'm going to make a great fried egg. I used to make them for my husband all the time. 40 eggs every day. A nightmare. But my favorite granddaughter. Oh, everything for her. Just look at that. Egg and a pepper.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna show you a real skill. I need to crack all the eggs into the bowl. Oh, that's great. And we'll remove the yolks.
Oh, that's so cool! Can I have it?
Yay.
Could you please?
Okay.
Wow! Look at that!
Ugh. Kids.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. I've whipped up some whites. And we're gonna put them on a parchment sheet. And straight into the oven. Oh, look at this bunny. I'll put the whites in the ears port and the yolks in the eyes. What's the smell? Is something burning?
What?
No way! Again! Man, there's no way to save these eggs. Okay. Let's think. I have an idea. Why not use yogurt? It looks like egg whites. Then I need half a peach. Oh, Grandma Ray, thank you. Okay.
Oh, let me help you. See? That's easy.
Yeah, thank you. Now let's take the peach and put it on the yogurt. Peaches are so delicious. All done.
And I need to get the clouds out and decorate my eggs. Okay, clouds are on a plate. Yolks too. Some carrot. Oh, just look at that. And of course our bunny. Some broccoli as lawn. And my gorgeous dish is done. Oh, I'm ready to.
Wow, just look at that! That's so cool! I won't try this one, but the egg… Let's see.
Okay.
They're so-so. What's in here? What? Whoa! This is not an egg! That's peach! So cool! Oh, let's try this cloud now. Cool! It's delicious! Wow! Chef wins!
I knew I'd be the best.